Meghalaya State Watershed and Wasteland Development Agency, under the Directorate of Soil and Water Conservation, Meghalaya, had organized a Watershed Yatra awareness program along with the sale of products from self-help groups nurtured under the New Generation Watershed Development Program 2.0. The event took place on the 19th of March 2025 at the State Central Library premises in Shillong. The initiative aimed to raise awareness about watershed development and provided a platform for self-help groups to showcase and sell their products.
Conservation will enable us to maintain the green coverage across the state, which is so important, especially in the debates of climate change. In Meghalaya, SWCD is implementing the PMS-KSY WDC 2.0 program, and we are participating and engaging with not less than 1,200 SHGs across the state. This investment in community participation has yielded positive results. Today, we are able to reclaim barren land and reuse it, improving soil quality, improving nutritional value of our soil, so that farmers may gainfully build on a farming practice which will sustain their livelihoods. As Sir Zoram has already said, we have constructed 1,390 water harvesting structures of 3,000 hectares, and this will be a lifeline for so many communities that are facing this acute water scarcity during the lean period. Today, climate change, deforestation, land degradation, urbanization, and pollution pose the greatest threat for our water securities. These factors are not just causing scarcity, but also affecting water quality, leading to health risks and agricultural losses. The situation is further worsened by the fact that 17% of Meghalaya's soil is degraded as per the Indian Wasteland Atlas.